You hold the cup, then we turn it on. Look at that, Richland. Look at you do it.
Are you gonna help me?
How about that? Let you pour it in there. Don't take but a little bit.
There's a big one.
Look at Richland go. Here we go. Look at that. It blends it.
What's your favorite blizzard?
Our favorite blizzard in the NICU is Butterfinger.
Our favorite blizzard is Caramel Cannonball.
My favorite blizzard is Reese's.
My favorite blizzard and my mom's favorite blizzard is Oreo.
My favorite blizzard on hot days like today is Heath Bar.
My favorite is chocolate and vanilla. My favorite blizzard is cotton candy. Candy is a Miracle Treat Day.